Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jerotics TV. And yes, for today's video, we're going to react again our favorite music, Manipur song. Yes, Manipur song. But anyone watching right now or someone watching right now, you are free to to comment, or you are free to suggest what music you want me to react, okay? Not only the Manipur song, but for now we're going to react this Manipur song, yes, with the title of Hey Nopi. The title is Hey Nopi, official music video, and the cast here are Tete Sapam, Jam Saikom, Jaljit Konsam, and the singer here is Sori Senjam. Yes, he is the singer here and the music director. Wow. Okay, we're going to start now. All right. Calling. Someone calling. Oh.
Ang awpi amaga loy na ruwadagi ay ko'y
Masculine voice.
loy ng aure
Oh.
Fajaba pumbagi pan kay
barista.
Hey nupi nangon na loy na lady nung di numit ko dinggi ujara basu hena dum hena mayek sing laklay kuira boy ningi hekta sakiba mikupta inatagi
Coffee.
Wahang amadi hangge ngai jari bani khang dida ai se kamai hang dino tati na jairak lasu
I touched the guy.
nini na aisu ikai ribani makalam labang asigi numit se ay
He's jealous.
kanda wajay puning se taro tamba ay di ko'y dade ising chaybi ang awbi amaga loy na rubadagi ay ko'y pumnama aloy ng aure fajaba pumbagi ban kay haibado hey nupi nang mondaloy na lady mit kudingi ujarabasu Hena dum hena
Not this
Maye koraklay Kuraboy ningi ekta
Oh, a letter.
Sakiba mikupta Inaktagi
Can't read.
Sakiba numitta Inaktagi
Oh.
Sakiba numitta Inaktagi
Oh, hey Nopi. That's the end of this music. Let's up this one. Alright! That was the Hey Nopi music video, official music video by Sorry Senjam. Wow, what a such beautiful voice of Sorry Senjam. That was like strong, manly, very strong, manly voice. Yes. It looked like deep masculine voice. When they start the music, I hear the voice. Oh my goodness, this is it. Very manly, manly voice. Hey Nopi, hey Nopi. I don't know what that should mean. Hey Nopi. It looked like hi, hello. That was the meaning of Hey Nopi. So if I'm wrong, just tell me or just comment down below what's the real meaning of Hey Nopi. Okay? And by the way guys, if you want to request another song or not only Manipur song, any song, if you want to suggest any song, just comment down below guys. Don't be hesitate to put your music, your favorite music. If I read that one, I'm going to react that one. So please, don't be hesitate to request any music, not only Manipur. Okay, so thank you so much guys for having me here to react your music, Hey Nopi or Manipur song. Okay, so thank you so much, especially for the Manipuri people out there. Hello, how are you guys there? Okay guys, so please, before I'm going to leave this reaction video, please guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also please share this reaction video to your friends, family, okay? And please like this reaction video for me. Okay guys, thank you so much, and see you on another reaction video. Thank you guys, bye bye.